Hello children, today I am going to teach how to draw a pie chart. Children, we follow the following steps to draw a pie chart. A step steps number 1. First of all, calculate the central angle for each components given by central angle of a component equal to value of the component divided by total value into 360 degree. Step 2, draw a circle of convenient radius. Number 3, within this circle draw a horizontal radius. Number 4, starting with the horizontal radius, draw radii making central angles corresponding to the values of the respective components till all the components are exhausted. These radii divide the whole circle into various sectors. Number 5, at last we said each sector with a different design. Children, now I am going to discuss about how to draw a pie chart with an example. For example, the marks obtained by Sudhir in an examination are given below. Subjects marks obtained: English 105, Hindi 75, Mathematics 150, Science 120, Social Science 90. Solution: uh, according to a step, first of all we will find total marks obtained. Total marks obtained equal to 105 plus 75 plus 150 plus 120 plus 90 equal to 540. Now we will find central angle for components. The formula is central angle for a component equal to value of the component divided by total value into 360 degree. Children, now calculate the central angles for each subject. For this we make a table like this. Subjects marks obtained and this is central angles. Our first subject is English. Marks obtained 105. Second subject is Hindi. Marks obtained 75. Third subject is Maths. Marks obtained 150. Science 120. Social Science 90. Total 540. Now we find central angle. As we know the formula of central angle, value of component divided by total value into 360. So 105 by 360, 105 by 540 total value into 360. Then we get 0 to 0 cancel and 18 2 ja 36 or 18 3 ja 54. Then 105 is divisible by 3 by 35 times, then we get 70 degree. Next 75 by 540 into 360, 0 to 0 cancel, 18 2 ja 18 3 ja 54 and 75 is divisible by 3 25 times, then we get 50 degree. Next, 150 by 540 into 360, 0 to 0 cancel, 18 2 ja 36 and 83 ja 54, and 150 divided by 3 50 times, then we get 100 degree. Next, 120 by 540 into 360, 0 to 0 cancel, 18 2 ja 18 3 ja, and 120 is divisible by 3 40 times, then we get 80 degree. Next, 90 by 540 into 360, 0 to 0 cancel, 18 2 ja 18 3 ja, 19 is divisible by 3 30 times, then we get 60 degree. Children, we add these central angles, then we get 0 to 0 0, 7 plus 5 12, plus 8 12 plus 8 20, plus 6 26, 6 carry 2 2 1 3 360 degree. Children, now we construct a pie chart. For this, first of all, we draw a circle of any convenient radius, and after that we draw a horizontal radius. Then we construct first of all angle 70 degree with a protractor. Let this angle is 70 degree, and this subject is English. Next subject is 30. Its sector angle is 50 degree. Then we construct a 50 degree with protractor. Let this angle is 50 degree, and our subject is Hindi. Next subject is math, and its central angle is 100 degree. Then we construct 100 degree with protractor. Let this angle be 100 degree, and subject is math. Next subject is science, and its central angle is 80 degree. Let this angle be 80 degree, and subject is science. Lastly, social science, its central angle is 60, so remaining angle will be 60 degree, and subject is social science. Children, thus our pie chart is completed. You can color these sectors with different colors, and you give a suitable design. Thank you, children, for watching my video.